Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Jonas Tech Vlog. So today we'll talk about Samsung Galaxy's S20 series. Is it the flagship smartphone of the 2020? So let's get started. This year, the Samsung Galaxy S20 series unveils a whole new world for mobile, a phone that will change photography. Samsung has got Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus and S20 Ultra with revolutionary 8K video snap, changing how you capture videos and photos, and add in Samsung Knox security and an intelligent battery, powerful processor and a massive storage. These three phones designed around a revolutionary camera experience. 108 megapixel in Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, a massive leap forward in resolution and zoom for mobile photography. The 108 megapixel high resolution that lets you punch in again and again. Far beyond the 12 megapixel category, Galaxy S20 Ultra gives you millions more pixels in each photograph, which means for the first time you can ever pinch in for details you would never have seen before. Followed by the S20 and Galaxy S20 Plus with a 64 megapixel camera. Samsung's most advanced zoom, yet you take places no mobile has been before. The Samsung S20 Ultra offers space zoom in 100x to find shots you have never knew existed. Start with 10x hybrid optic zoom enabled by a revolutionary folded lens and high resolution image sensor. Couple that with super resolution zoom enhanced by camera AI to get really close to the action and capture moments you might never missed. While the Galaxy S20 and S20 Plus has 3x hybrid optical zoom and up to 30x of super resolution zoom, Galaxy S20 Ultra has 10x hybrid optical zoom and up to 100x super resolution zoom. Samsung has almost tripled the sensor size so that we can shoot more of the night. In low light, the pro-grade camera system captures multiple shots at once, merging them into one stunning shot with less blur and noise. With a larger image sensor and AI, switching to night mode means you can shoot nighttime scenes clearer. Video snap revolutionizes how you capture photos and videos. Now, the highest resolution video on a smartphone, Samsung has taken more mobile resolution from 4K all the way to 8K. That's 4 times bigger than Ultra HD and 16 times bigger than Full HD. That means you will capture moments in super sharp resolution. 8K video snap, you can even pull 33 megapixel stills right out of 8K video. It's a whole new way to capture still photography even every time you hit record. 8K video turns every frame into high resolution. Still, you can pinch in for once in a lifetime shot. Capture super steady videos. This year Samsung has an sophisticated AI stabilizes video like an action cam. The larger sensor, anti-rolling stabilizer balances camera movement so your footage won't turn out blurry and unstable, but super smooth. Another option Samsung offers is single take, a whole new way to take one shot and capture multiple formats. Single take is essential burst mode turned beast mode. Revolutionary AI, it lets you shoot for up to 10 seconds and get back a variety of formats, meaning you can choose the best style for the moment without having a reshoot. That whole new camera experience also has a game-changing phone built around it. Speed to keep you sharing and streaming. Stay on top of your games, streams and social media with downloader speed up to 2 Gbps and on LTE and secure Wi-Fi 6 connections. The design of the Galaxy S20 series is just awesome. Brains, beauty and a whole lot of power. This really matters. That's the reason Samsung has got 3 options for the Galaxy S20 series. The Galaxy S20 with 6.2-inch display with a Quad HD plus 563 ppi and the Galaxy S20 Plus with a 6.7 inches Quad HD Plus with a 525 ppi, Galaxy S20 Ultra with a 6.9-inch display Quad HD Plus and 511. No more booking movie tickets with Samsung's dynamic AMOLED display. Cinema quality viewing that fits in the palm of your hand. Bezels are pushed way back. There is no notch, just a minuscule camera hole. The HDR Plus certified Infinity O display offers a big immersive screen with limited on-screen interruptions. While the competition is running around a higher display refresh rate, Samsung has leveled up the refresh rate for the incredibly smooth scrolling and gaming experience. The 120Hz makes you scrolling smooth with seamless screen transitions, while the super fast, precise touch responsive delivers a more reactive gaming experience. You will believe it and you will see it and you will feel it. Samsung Galaxy S20 series offers eye care display that helps prevent eye strain and sleep disturbances by reducing blue light at the pixel level without sacrificing color. What else we have? Ultrasonic fingerprint built into the screen. It pulses to detect the 3D ridges and valleys your prints and invisibility security. Runs on One UI 2, is designed for everyday simplicity. Samsung has got IP68 rated protection on the Galaxy S20 series. That means water resistant that stands up to 1.5 meters of water for up to 30 minutes. For performance, Samsung has gone a step further with the all-day battery life. Batteries are powerful, maxing out at 5000 mAh, but there's also an intelligent adjusting to your mobile habits to save power, last way longer on a single charge. So it offers super fast charging, fast wireless charging 2.0 and a wireless power share where you can charge your buds, watch and even a friend's phone. Galaxy S20 phones that thinks faster than faster, more playing, less waiting thanks to powerful RAM and an enhanced processor with built-in advanced AI. Quick launch even lets you designate your favorite apps to launch instantly so they are ready to go before you are. Storage is what a person thinks always on a smartphone. With the Galaxy S20, S20 Plus and S20 Ultra comes with vast storage built in for your high resolution videos and your photos. You can expand it with a micro SD card up to 1 TB. That's not the case with many other Android smartphones or Apple. Samsung Galaxy S20 offers a superb gaming experience with a hyper-responsive touch puts you at your top of your game. Finding victory on the street looks and feels better on the Infinity O display. Video is smooth while touch response is faster with powerful combination of hardware and software that delivers superior lag eliminating performance. So at their core, the S20, S20 Plus and the S20 Ultra are very similar. All the three phones have 120Hz displays, Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor, expandable storage, water resistance, wireless charging. However, similar to what we saw last year with the S10e, S10 and S10 Plus, there's also clear difference between them. While the S20 isn't cheap with a starting price of 70,499, it is the lesser phone of the trio. It has the fewest camera, smallest battery and doesn't connect to mmWave's 5G networks. Then again, it's the S20 version that will pull the smallest dent in your wallet and is a good choice if you prefer phones which are with a smaller screen size. In the middle of the bunch is the S20 Plus, offering modest improvements in all the areas, whereas it differs from regular S20. If you step all the way up to S20 Ultra, you are getting a biggest and the baddest S20 experience possible, though it's going to cost you. Let's see what Samsung has to offer in the specification. Samsung doesn't mess around with the specs for its Galaxy S phones, and the idea has carried over to the S20 lineup. Here's a quick rundown of what they are packing. All the Galaxy S20 series, whether it's S20, S20 Plus and S20 Ultra, runs on operating system Android 10 and One UI 2.0. The display sizes differ. The S20 has a 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED Quad HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus. The S20 Plus has the 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display, Quad HD Plus and 120Hz refresh rate with the HDR10 Plus, while the Galaxy S20 Ultra has 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED Quad HD Plus with a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus. The Samsung Galaxy S20 series runs on Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, which is the latest. The memory of S20 is 12GB and S20 Plus is also 12GB, whereas the Galaxy S20 has 12GB as a 16GB option. Storage, when we compare, the Galaxy S20 has 128GB, S20 Plus has 128GB and 512GB experience, and the Galaxy S20 Ultra has 128 and 512GB. Expandable storage of up to 1 TB. Cameras also differ from each other with the Galaxy S20 series. Galaxy S20 has a rear camera of 12 megapixel wide, 64 megapixel telephoto and 12 megapixel ultra wide, whereas the Galaxy S20 Plus has 12 megapixel wide, 64 megapixel telephoto, 12 megapixel ultra wide and the time of flight sensor, whereas the Galaxy S20 Ultra has the highest 108 megapixel wide, 48 megapixel telephoto, up to 100x silver resolution zoom, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and the time of flight sensor. The front camera of S20 and S20 Plus are the same 10 megapixel, whereas the Galaxy S20 Ultra has a 40 megapixel camera. Battery of Galaxy S20 is 4000 mAh, S20 Plus is 4500 mAh, and the Galaxy S20 Ultra offers 5000 mAh. So this was the specs as elaborated. The question arises, should you upgrade from an older Galaxy phone? There is no denying that S20 lineup is mighty impressive, but if you already have an older Galaxy phone, do you really need to upgrade? Samsung builds its phone to last, so if you have an S10 or S9, chances are you can probably hold on onto it for a little while longer and be just fine. On the flip side, when you take into consideration all the upgrades offered by the S20, there's an argument to be made as why you should upgrade. The 120Hz display is a big deal, the camera improvements are nothing to scoff at, and you get ample future proofing with the Snapdragon 865, minimum 12GB of RAM. Of the color that the Samsung has to offer, Samsung has been known to offer some truly great colors for its smartphone, and that's something we are seeing yet again with the S20 series. There are 5 available colors in time round, including cloud blue, cloud pink, cosmic grey, cosmic black, and aura blue. There's nothing as extravagant as the Galaxy Note 10's aura blue, but the colors are offered are all great. Hope you guys like this video of the Samsung Galaxy S20 series. If you really like the video, please subscribe to my channel and motivate me to make more videos in future. For now, we'll get back to you with a new video update.